What's up, guys? For today's video, we're going to be reviewing the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Camaro SS. So on the driver door, you have the window control. Both windows are fully automatic. Right above it, you have the mirror controls. You have lock and unlock and door handle. And on the steering wheel, you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side, you got the cruise control. On the right hand side, you have the controls for the infotainment system. And behind the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have the volume control and favorite channels. You also have the paddle shifters. And behind the steering wheel, on the left hand side, you have the light controls with the turning signal. And on the right hand side, you have the windshield wiper control. And on the screen, you have your speed with mileage, trip A, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy. You also have your performance. You have the G-force, 0 to 60 timer. You have your audio, phone, navigation. In options, you have your units, theme, information page, and performance. You also have the speed warning and software information. And on the center console you have the 8-inch color display. Right below you have the radio controls, climate controls, and you have the 8-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and backup camera. You also have the traction control and mode selector. You have Tour, Sport, Track, and Snow and Ice. You also have the electronic parking brake and the 12-volt power outlet and 2 cup holders. You also have 2 more USBs and an auxiliary cord. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar navigation, settings. You have time and date, drive mode. You can choose the engine sound management and the steering. You also have valet mode. Teen driver. You can view report cards, manage settings. You also have radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, rear camera, return to factory settings, software information, and Wi-Fi. You have text, OnStar, and shop. And on the window sticker, this car comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission. So the standard vehicle price is $37,000. They added the 8-speed automatic transmission with remote vehicle start, power sunroof, dual mode performance exhaust, and 20-inch wheels, which all comes up to $41,485. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.